Hi there, welcome to Navigating Graduate School. So if today is your first time visiting my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. So today's video is specifically for University of Ghana current students and alumni who want University of Ghana to send their transcript to the World Education Service for evaluation. So if you want to evaluate your transcript with the World Education Service, you cannot send the transcript to the World Education Service yourself, but you are required that University of Ghana send the transcript on your behalf so that it can be evaluated. But before you can do that, you have to go to the World Education Service. You have to go to the World Education Service online platform to apply over there. After you apply, and then you pay for the evaluation fee, then the World Education Service will send you a reference code, and if you have access to the reference code, then you can then come and follow the steps I will give you here. So I'm giving you here today so that you can follow that step to request that University of Ghana send the transcript to the World Education Service for evaluation on your behalf. So let's dive in. How do you request that University of Ghana send a transcript to the World Education Service on your behalf? So that can be done through the UGen, that's University of Ghana Students STS Portal. So let's go online and type UGen STS UGen STS Portal, or UGen STS Portal. Okay, all right, so this is how it shows. So if you type that in your browser, this is how the page appears. So you then type your student ID and then your password. Okay, then you log in. So after logging in, then you scroll down, then you come to WES request. So over here you click on WES request, you click on it, then it take you to this page. So WES requests are processed within 2 weeks. Please allow 2 weeks before following up. So after you fill these details, allow 2 weeks before you can follow up from University of Ghana whether they have done that on your behalf. So let's see. So it says please complete the forms below to submit your WES request. So if you are a student, because you are a student already, or if attended University of Ghana, your details, your student ID, your email will be here and your full name. So if you want to add an alternate email, you can just type it. So I can type my alternate email here, or alternative email. Okay, so I can add it up here. Then my number, I can add it up here. Then the WES reference code. Okay, so you can then type the reference code here. Okay, imagine it is 2222. So you type it here nicely, and then you scroll down. You will see that it says choose the degree type. So the transcript that you want WES to evaluate for you. Okay, so then you select it here. If it is for bachelor's, you select. If you have bachelor's and MS or MA or MPH, you select it. If it is master's, you select it. If it's also a PhD, then you just choose the one that you want them to send to WES for the evaluation. Okay, so you scroll down. After that, it says upload your WES application form and a copy of your UGen certificate here. So the WES application, after you pay for the evaluation from the WES portal, okay, you have to download the WES application form. Okay, then you upload it here, including your UGen certificate. You upload copies here. Okay, after that you submit and make payments. Okay, the total cost of the payment is now 300 Ghana cedis. Total amount to pay is 300 Ghana cedis, and that goes to the University of Ghana. So I'm sure you can pay through Momo. Okay, after you upload your documents, you can pay through Momo. So that's the end of today's video. I hope it has been helpful. Please, if today is your first time visiting my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to, and click the notification bell, as we will do more videos on study abroad and how to get scholarship, how to apply to study in the US, Canada, or any country that you might be applying to. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.